Hi guys, welcome to Excited for Coupons. My name is Jasmine. I'm so glad you are taking some time to watch this video. I hope everybody's staying safe and just following the guidelines, but at the same time not going crazy or stressing about it, because that's not going to be helpful at all. If you're heading out, you want to take advantage of those CRTs or ECBs that you do have, or you just simply going out. We've been going out almost every day. We do go to the supermarket, sometimes stop at CVS. So if you're on your way out, you're planning a trip this week, you want to use some of those ECBs. Here's some freebies that are going on still at CVS. I was able to get some of these during this week. This is the ad for March 15 and it ends on this Saturday, March 21st. So just stay safe. So that's why I just want to share it in case you guys are heading out. So some of these guys, I'm just going to give you a heads up. They're freebie this week, but some might be even better deals next week. And I did share that video, so you could just go ahead and check it out on this area. So let's get started with the first one. I was excited to do this deal, but I wasn't able to do it because I did not get this coupon in my insert. But if you did get the coupon deducting 50 cents, or maybe you're able to print it, so as you see, the deal is $2.99, and you're gonna pay $1.49, but using that coupon you're gonna pay $1.49 actually. That's how much you're gonna pay after that coupon. If you have that CRT also, I did get a CRT deducting $1, so pay $1.49, get back $1.49 or $1.50, and then this deal will be totally free. So this is an easy freebie deal. I'm gonna see if you guys could check out Speedstick website to see if the coupon is available. If it is, that we could just go ahead and print it if you did not get it in your insert. At least in my region, we didn't get that insert for Speedstick. So this is an easy deal. You have that printable, and if you have that CRT, go ahead and stack it and take advantage of that CRT that's printing this week. The next thing I want to share with you, I got some of these freebies. These are CRTs that printed last week. So go ahead and check which day yours expire. At least in my store, if a CRT expires, they honor up to 2 days. So go ahead and look at your CRT in case it did expire. Like I mentioned, this CRT you see in the picture, this was printing last week, and it's deducting $1 when you buy 2 assorted Hershey's singles. So this could be any singles, and as you know, they're on special this week. So what is the deal going on this week? You're gonna buy 2 for $2. As you know, these could range up to $1.49, so they're already on special. So buy 2 for $2. You're gonna use that CRT if you do have it, and in the register you're just gonna pay $1, but then you're gonna get back $1 ECB for buying 2. As you see, this is the ad shown this week. And after you receive that ECB, this comes out to free for both products. So such an easy freebie deal. Here I want to share another freebie. This one could easily be a moneymaker if you have any CRTs, but if you don't, this is such an easy deal because you could do this with a digital coupon. Go ahead and select it in your CVS app. Add send to card. It's gonna deduct $3 when you buy 2, and the deal is just buy 2 of the scope. The price is $2.99, so right there is $5.98. Use that digital coupon that you send to card in your CVS app. You're gonna pay $2.98. Get back 3 ECB, making it free. But the reason why I say money maker, in case you have $1 off 5 CRT, then you could go ahead and stack that, and then it will be free and money maker. Such an easy freebie deal. This one is another great freebie as well. This is buy 2 get 5, and as you can see in my store, there's different ones available. The price is $5.49. They used to be $4.99. So go ahead and buy 2 of the Nivea lotion for $5.49 if that's the price in your store. So now the total in the register will be $10.98, but using the coupons from Smart Source 3A, it's going to deduct $1, and if you have any CRTs that is $2 off 10, go ahead and stack that with that manufacturer coupon. So that way you'll just pay $4.98 in the register, get back 5, and then both of these lotions will be totally free. This is if you could find these in your store, and depending on the price in your store, because mine usually were $4.99. So if you have that CRT for lotion, go ahead and use it for that deal. Let's move on to another great freebie. This one is spend 20 get 10, and as you know, we did get some coupons on this Sunday's paper, deducting $5 off 1, and I believe it's a limit of 2. So what I did was, because I got this CRT says it will deduct $10 when I spend 30. So what I did, I purchased 2 of these new products. They're kind of like that yellowish mustard color. And as you see, the prices are $14.99. I needed to reach $30, so I purchased two of $14.99. So that came my registered total to $29.98. I used two of those coupons, deducting $5 each. So I deducted another $10, but then I stacked that with that CRT that it came out in my car, deducting 10 off 30. So I ended up paying $9.98 in the register. I got back 10 ECB, making it free. And hopefully your store, they were able to stock up on all of these new Nexus items. I love it because there's different ranges of prices shown. So you could go ahead and mix and match if you got that CRT. So this deal may not be freebie depending on the price in your store. This is L'Oreal, and the deal on the L'Oreal is buy two get six. And as you know, we were getting CRTs printing, but at least for me, they were printing for L'Oreal, and it did say for cosmetics, or I could use that CRT, deducting $3 also on cosmetics. So I could just go ahead and use it in one of those two deal scenarios. So this one will come out to 59 cents depending on the price in your store. In my store, as you see, they are a little bit higher. They used to be $5.99, and so they're $6.59 or $6.49 in the store. You could go ahead and use that CRT that's printing for everybody, and also a CRT saying deducting 3 off 12 for cosmetics. Then you will pay a little less than $7, but you're gonna get back 6 ECB for buying two, making it a little about $1 or 50 cents each, which is still a pretty good deal. So why is this deal making it to this video? If the video at the beginning says freebie, this is why. If you have a CRT that I noticed I've been getting that it says deducting $3 on L'Oreal eye makeup products, that means you could stack 3 different CRTs. If you're able to get the 3 of 12 cosmetics, that eye makeup for L'Oreal CRT, and the CRT that is printing as well for L'Oreal this week, or the one you had for last week, then you have $6 right there. So then once you pay and you get back those $6, then this will be free and a money maker. I'm just letting you know this is a great deal in case you do have those CRTs. So okay, let's go ahead and move on to another great deal that I want to mention. Is a freebie, and this one I was impressed and surprised how well it went for me. But let me tell you, if you still have the CRTs that is printing this week for Maybelline, I suggest that you guys hold on to it and use it next week. If you do the same deal next week, the money maker is going to be a lot higher. But if you want to use it this week instead, what you could do is go ahead and buy 2 of the single eyeshadows for $4.19. Use one of those coupons. I still had one in the car. So go ahead and use one of those manufacturer coupon that came out in the Retail Me Not of March 1st. And then use that CRT that's printing, pay $3.38, get back 7, and it will be a huge money maker, making it $3.62 money maker. Then this deal for Milani, I was surprised because when I went to one of the stores, there was a tag there, and I'm like, did I see a tag there? But I didn't think this was going to be on special, so I believe this is an unadvertised deal. So I did make the purchase. I did this haul, and it did print the ECB at the end. And as you know, on this paper, there's 2 different coupons, a $3 for eye and a 2 for any Milani products. I also got the CRT that printed deducting 4 of 12. So I said, you know what, I'm gonna reach $12, so then I could use those 2 CRT. So what I did was I purchased the lip for $4.49 and the brow for $7.99. I used those coupons, one for the eyes and the other one for any product, so that means $5 it deducted. And then I used that CRT deducting 4 of 12. But if you have the 3 of 12, you could go ahead and use that CRT as well. I paid $3.48, but I got back 5, making it free and $1.52 money maker. This deal I am so excited to do, and especially if you got some CRTs. I know I feel bad because not everybody gets the same CRTs, but just, you know what, this same deal is going to be happening next week on the new ad starting on the 22nd. So if you be on the lookout, so when you scan your card, if you guys do go ahead and step out of the house on Sunday and scan your card, see if you get any of these similar CRTs, since this is going to be the same deal. So if you could do it this week, or you could just go ahead and do it next week. Purchase 3 and use the CRT, 3 of 12 any shave products. That's one CRT I got. And as you see, they're on special for $6.99, so I purchased 3. So the register came out to $20.97. I used 2 coupons that came on the Sunday's paper, but you know what? There's printables. You could go ahead and use these printables if you don't have them. And so I used two manufacturer and one I selected from my app. Or you could just use two from the manufacturer and one printed, since I believe there's a limit of two. And then those CRTs that I show you, 3 of 12, and then the other CRT was $2 for Skin Timid. And you can see it on the tag that it's telling you that it's going to be good through 3/28, which is the following ad that I already did that video as well. So once you do those CRTs and the coupons, pay $3.97, but you're going to get back 5 ECB, making it free, and $1.03 money maker. So those CRTs did help. So just be on the lookout. You may get a 5 off 20 CRT. Then you could go ahead and use it, and it will be the same thing as using these two different CRTs. So go ahead and check what's in your cart. The next deal I'm excited about, I wasn't expecting this deal either. This one is spend 12, get 8 on any Rimmel Cosmetics. And as you know, there's printable coupons. Go ahead and check your CVS app in case, and I'm going to provide all those printable coupons below this video. Open it up and go ahead and select those coupons, because look, this one expires on April 12th. So what I did was I purchased a face product for $5.79, and then I purchased an eye product for $6.79. So that was the eyeliner. So everything came out to $12.58, which you do need to reach $12. I used these printables. They both are deducting 2 for the eyes and for the face, and then I used the CRT deducting 3 of 12 for cosmetics. I ended up paying $5.58, but I got back 8 ECV for spending 12, making it free and a huge money maker, a $2.42 money maker. So here, guys, I'm sharing with you guys about 9 freebies. Some of these are money makers. Some of these are going to be a special next week as well. So I'm excited for the deals that are coming. It's just sad that we won't be able to. We just have to be more cautious of everything that we're doing and touching. So just be safe. And in the meantime, I'm just providing all these great deals in case you do head out. So thank you for watching this video, and until the next video. Bye.